Did you got bored using those ordinary dialogues into your app? Then try Jiffy Dialog. It allows you to create beautiful and custom dialogue for your Flutter app in just fraction of seconds.
Okay, so we will start by installing our package. So copy the dependencies and open your Android Studio, and in pubspec.yaml in the dependencies, just paste it and make sure your indentation is also correct, and then pub-get, and now let's import it, and this time paste it in your main.dart folder. And now let's create a button. So we want to show a dialog when we will press on our button. So we will just need to use show dialog. Now context, and then builder. And now let's take for instance your image is on network. So you just need to use network Jiffy dialog and simply call the image.network, and copy the URL. And even you can style your image like fit boxfit.cover. And now let's give it a title so the users can easily understand. Now it's looking little empty, so you can even give it a short description, something like this. Even you can change the colors of your button, like button cancel color, colors.teal. And in the same way you can give the color for your OK button, and even you can add animation to it. Let me show you how. Entry animation, and then in capital letters. And here you can see a whole list has came, so you can choose anyone, like let's choose bottom left. Now you can see the difference. And wondering what's more, you can even add function to your buttons, like on cancel pressed or on OK button pressed. And if you don't want both the buttons, you can just use only cancel button and then a boolean true. So if you want only one button, you can go for it. And hooray, you have built a very beautiful dialog with animation in just few lines of code. So if you learned anything from this video, please hit the like button. And if you want a whole series on the package of the week, then let me know in the comment section. And more amazing stuffs are going to come on this channel, so be sure to subscribe it. Thank you.